In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your CoinMarketCap experience to better suit your needs. Whether you're an avid crypto investor or just someone curious about the various digital assets out there, CoinMarketCap is a valuable tool. However, maximizing its utility requires a bit of personalization. Let's dive into how you can tailor CoinMarketCap to display exactly what you want. First, the journey begins on the CoinMarketCap website itself. So if you're at your computer or have your device handy, go ahead and open up CoinMarketCap. As soon as you navigate to the homepage, you'll notice the list of cryptocurrencies, which is likely what you see at a glance. Now, make your way to the top right of this coin list. Spotting the gear icon should be quite straightforward. It looks just like you'd expect. A little gear or setting symbol nestled among other controls. Go ahead and click this gear icon to open the settings menu. Once you've clicked that, a settings menu is going to appear. This menu essentially holds the magic keys to customizing your experience. Immediately, you'll see options that let you select or deselect columns. These columns could include price, market cap, volume, and a few others. Customizing these allows you to focus on the data that's most relevant to you, cutting out any unnecessary information that might clutter your view. Next, you have the chance to change the currency. If you're someone who prefers to view the crypto markets in a local currency other than USD, this is your golden ticket. You might choose PHP, BTC, ETH, or another currency entirely. This feature is particularly useful if you're trading in a specific pair, or if you want to see prices in your local currency to better gauge them. Now, onto adjusting table density. The default setting might be comfortable for some, but if you prefer a more compact view to see more data at once, you can adjust that right here. This setting allows you to switch between a compact or comfortable presentation of data, depending on your personal preferences and how you best process information. And finally, you have the option to show or hide rankings. For some, knowing the precise rank of a cryptocurrency is crucial, especially for tracking market trends. For others, it might just be unnecessary noise. Decide what suits you best and make your selection. Once you've made all your desired adjustments, you'll see that the table updates instantly with your preferences. There's no waiting around or extra hoops to jump through. The data on your screen will reflect your choices immediately, allowing you to jump right back into your crypto analysis with your newly customized view. So there you have it, a streamlined way to optimize CoinMarketCap for your personal needs. Whether you're checking in daily or just dabbling, having a setup that speaks to you can make all the difference.